Hello, and welcome back to another episode of NFT Oddity. If you haven't seen it yet, please check out our other content. We got fresh videos coming at you just about every day. If you like NFT collections, this is the channel for you. So today, we're going to talk about EtherTroopers. So EtherTroopers comes to us from Discord, and there are 8,888 that are being assembled on the blockchain to maintain, control, and uphold their kingdom. Each trooper is randomly generated following an extensive and thoroughly detailed design process of the highest grade by artist Dhruval Bayani. So the pre-sale is going on now, and the mint is going to come up pretty soon, in a couple days here, or a day and some change. I believe it's October 27th is the mint day. So they have the artist here who has his Twitter and Instagram. He's based in India. And the rest of the team, they have their own avatars, which is pretty cool. Storyline. The ethereal empire is deploying an elite force to protect its metaverse. Troopers have been established to win the ever-growing inevitability of a conflict for the metaverse, which the Ether Troopers must win in order to maintain power and control of their kingdom. Word from the control room is that there is a conflict for power, which is nearing ever closer from a rebel force, the stature of which is currently unknown. Therefore, a highly skilled and powerful defense must be trained and deployed with speed in anticipation for an unknown enemy. As the threat draws nearer, more details will be shared as to who and what the rebel threat is and their traits. The collection is 8,888 industry grade level Ether Troopers. Every single piece within the Ether Troopers ranks displays superior artistic quality and is a result of development, refinement, and contemplation. So you can check out the artwork here. It's pretty cool. I like it. It's got like a Star Wars-esque theme to it. Our short-term roadmap and constellation map are the foundations of what we set out to achieve with Ether Troopers. This is by no means the final version of all utility and perks Ether Troopers holders will receive, as we are committed to staying abreast of all opportunities and constantly innovating the project into new frontiers. So they're going to get verified on OpenSea. A few lucky members will be drawn from the community to work with Dhruval to create their own one-of-one Ether Trooper. Trooper Fund. We will fund Ether Trooper community wallet with 66 ETH. How we distribute a small shall be voted by the trooper. Distributed shall be voted by our trooper community. They're gonna have a store with exclusive trooper store there for you. The Space Battles NFT airdrop. A variety of 10 collectible versions drop randomly across holders, each with their own rarity level, distributed via Starship drop. Troopers and collabs will be lining up exclusive collabs with other top-tier projects for special homage variants of Ether Troopers and limited runs open to holders of Ether Troopers and the counterpart project exclusively. In 3 to 6 months, this is our constellation map. We will be working to bring your Ether Troopers NFT into the physical world. We will be developing QR codes that have an augmented version of your NFT, so you can truly see it in 3D space or producing physical 3D models. We will be hosting an Ether Troopers gambling event once per month, exclusive Ether Troopers holders with a cosmos of different prizes. EtherTroopers holders will be airdropped a mint pass for this launch, for the Rebel Force launch. For everything your trooper, every trooper you hold, you'll have a relative mint pass for your Rebel Threat NFT. The control room scouts will be able to provide further details on the Rebel threat as they draw nearer to our ally ships. So it looks like you get a Rebel NFT out of it as well. The story behind EtherTroopers and the Rebel threat, which awaits them, will be depicted in our limited run comic book series open to holders exclusively. Utility token. We'll be releasing our utility token, the name of which will be voted on by our community trooper or troop. Utility to earn trooper or troop will be then play to earn via staking and or community starship drop. Constellation collaborations, galaxy level collaborations to begin, tender clothing brand collabs, DJ, etc. Months 6 to 12, EtherTroopers play to earn utility will begin to emerge, whereby the trooper token can be earned directly via the game. The game will be exclusive to EtherTrooper holders. So there's going to be a play to earn game. How many troopers are available to purchase? 8,888. How much will it be to mint one trooper? Each trooper will cost 0.088 ETH each. These will be minted directly from our website and pre-sale and launch day. Who is behind the incredible art? The incredible artist leading the way for our EtherTroopers is Drew Bayani. Handle is right there. Will there be a pre-sale? Yes. Pre-sale is currently going on now. When will the artwork be revealed? The full collection will be revealed on OpenSea 48 hours after the completed mint. What is the goal? Our goal is to produce a fair launch project with top-tier design, industry-grade artwork, and extensive utility that we can provide each holder with a host of benefits and bring them into the EtherTroopers galaxy. So you can join the community. Let's check them out on Twitter real quick. I know you guys like the pictures, so we'll show a few of those. This is a blue one. I like that. It's got a cool background. This one's got like a galaxy background as well. Red. It's got a, looks like some kind of laser gun in the background. Gray one. The moon background. This one with the pink moon, it's like bluish. Exposed wiring. The cool visor. This is the unrevealed one. Here's some cool ones. This one has got like a crazy looking face. This one's, I don't even know how to describe it. It's like a complete robot with a lightsaber. Calls it Brutus. Bubblegum times blue iridescent. Yeah, these are pretty cool. Just check them out on Instagram. Give them a follow there. We got two cool ones right here. This one's like a magma one. Lava. And this one right here, we've seen this before on the Twitter page. If we check them out over on OpenSea, you can see that they haven't been revealed yet, but the floor price is currently 0.124 ETH. So I think this project is pretty legit. Let me know in the comment section if you guys like EtherTroopers. That's going to be it for this one today, guys. Remember to follow, hit like, and subscribe. We're on Reddit, Twitter, Instagram, email, nftaddy@gmail.com. Rareable, super rare, and OpenSea. Wallet addresses in the QR code. Thanks again for watching, and we'll talk again soon.